We are pleased to show you the 2022 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.